Hi everyone! I'm going to show you how to make this Sara Lee Copycat Pound Cake. It's super easy and so delicious. So let's get started. In a bowl, we're going to combine 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to give that a good mix and then set it aside. To our mixer, we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of cake flour. If you don't have cake flour, you can make your own at home by adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour to a cup and then filling the rest with all-purpose flour. Then we will add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Just give that a mix on a low speed until just combined. "13 tablespoons of butter, which is equivalent to 3/4 of a cup and 2 tablespoons. Not sure which one is easier to follow, but whichever one is, do make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know. So we're just going to add the butter and half of the egg mixture to the flour and mix until the ingredients are moistened. Then increase the mixer speed and beat for 1 minute longer. Add the rest of the egg mix in 2 parts, scraping down the sides of the bowl after every addition. I'll say it time and time again, just be careful not to overbeat the mixture. If the mixture looks slightly grainy, that's okay. Once it's baked, you won't even be able to tell. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Grease an 8x4 by 2 inch loaf pan. Yes, you can make it in a different size pan or in a different shape pan, that's perfectly fine, but it won't be the same Sara Lee Pound Cake. Make sure you brush the butter into every corner. Add some flour and dust the pan very well. Any excess flour can be tapped out of the pan and used again. Pour the cake batter into a loaf pan and level out with a spatula. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. An inserted skewer will come out clean. This cake is perfect with a cup of tea. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share with all your friends, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!